What's up guys, my name's Eric and welcome to another Modern Comforts video. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Xiaomi Air Pump and how I use it for my everyday life. So let's get this video started. So over here is the Xiaomi Air Pump. It's this rectangular brick almost with tubing on the top. The charging port's at the bottom. It does use a micro USB and not your typical USB-C charger, so watch out for that. The top tubing, there's a red circle and that's where you're going to be taking it off and putting it back in. Once you take it off, it automatically turns on. The left button is where your flashlight is, which is perfect for working in the dark. Your top and bottom button is how to change your preset PSI. Your right button is for your different categories. So there's bicycles, car tires, basketballs, volleyballs. And once you hold the right button, it changes the measurement from bar to PSI or vice versa. So just hold it for a couple seconds and you can see it change, like so. I know it's a bit blurry, so I apologize for that. But you know, you get the gist of it. It's pretty useful, pretty handy, self-explanatory. The center button right here, it's how you turn it on, and you know, it makes this noise. It's not as loud as you think it is. Like if you close the door, then you can't really hear it from the other room. So once you pop it back into the red circle, it'll automatically turn off like so. Also comes with a little black pouch, which fits the adapters and the charger and also the Xiaomi Air Pump. There's a little pouch too within the pouch, so like two pouches in one, where you can fit your adapters so it doesn't get loose anywhere or you don't drop it anywhere by accident. So one pouch fits all. So over here I'll show how to use it for your car. Simply just twist off the air cap for your wheels, and once you twist the Xiaomi Air Pump into the air valve, it'll measure the PSI level. And depending what level it is, you can either pump it or just leave it as it is. So right here, 35 PSI, that's perfect for my mom's tires. Don't need to do anything. Twist off and put the air cap back in. Good to go. So over here, I'm going to be using the other tire. And this one, I think it has about 20 PSI. So it's a lot lower, and uneven tires are really bad for your tires, so just we'll keep a watch for that. So yeah, 24 PSI, there's about 10 PSI difference. So I'm going to be setting it to, I believe, 35 PSI, and that's what I'm going to do. So 34 PSI. And just press the center button, and it's good to go. Once it reaches your target PSI, it'll automatically stop, and you can do your own thing. You know, go back in your house, wait in the car. Yeah, you don't have to sit around and wait, you know, or use your hands to pump the tires, which is nice. So over here, it's back to 32 PSI, which almost to that target. So over here, I'll just skip ahead a little bit so you don't have to wait the full thing. And it's to 34, and in just a couple seconds, oh yeah, so it stopped because it's at the 35 PSI. Oh, in between the video, I changed it to 35 PSI because my other tire, I believe, was 35 PSI too. So everything's even, nice and good. You just untwist it and put your air cap back in, and you're good to go. Just make sure you charge your air pump so you can use it again. And yeah, that's the Xiaomi Air Pump.